Hi, last empties of the year. I had 7 to finish to cross my target for 2022. Let's see how I have done in December. This isn't an empty as such, it's actually a beauty blender, but then it is, as you can see there, torn. So I am discarding it. Yes, actually, when it tore, I could see that there was quite a bit of product inside. So that's what happens to foundation, yeah? I tell you, I have been washing and rinsing it very carefully after each use. So this actually happened to the beauty blender. Problem is I can't go near a brush with how sensitive and peeling my skin is, so it's got to be something like a sponge, a dab-on method of applying makeup. So, yeah, I do have quite a few more beauty blenders in my stash. Hopefully by the time they're all in this condition, my skin would have recovered and would be all right with the brushes. Yeah. Makeup, eye primer, Kat Von D high voltage eye primer discontinued. I no longer support this brand either. It is discontinued and Kat Von D folded altogether. They are now bought by Kendo and are rebranded as KVD Beauty, whom I mean I would support them, but you know I don't have any products that I want from them anyway. Face primer, Fix and Rouge Soft Focus Pore Perfect HD, all gone as you can see there. As you know, or as I've said a number of times through the last couple of months, Smashbox discontinued my Holy Grail face primer, which is the Super Light Smooth and Blur Photo Finish Primer, and I have struggled to find a replacement. Nothing has really been that good, although I have found a couple which I would be happy with. The Hyaluronic Hydra Primer from By Terry is one of them. I am happy with it, but you know, Smashbox was over there. They've discontinued it though. So this was something that I got in an advent calendar. I think it was a Pipbox advent calendar, I can't be sure. Pipbox didn't actually do an advent calendar this year, did they? Very surprising. So I've been trying all the primers in my stash to see if I can get something I love as much as Smashbox. This wasn't it, sadly. So skincare, Purito Centella Unscented Serum, Absolute Holy Grail, another one emptied, 60 mils. This is, which is only around 12 quid without any codes or discounts. Where to buy in the description box below is linked, and there are codes and discounts in addition to this. You always get a good deal on this. And there's 60 mils, yeah, of serum, very generous. My Holy Grail serum, it contains peptides, ceramides, centella extract, niacinamide, madecoic acid, and is essential oil free and unscented. What more do you want from a serum? Eye cream, E-Choice Red Ginseng Eye Wrinkle Solution. This was a monster of a 30 ml tube and took forever to finish. I didn't love it. I felt that it didn't do me any good. Did it do me any harm? No, but that's not the point. It's going to do you some good, right? It didn't do me any good, so I won't repurchase. Right, face mask, e-cooking clay mask, all gone. Whatever, very little is left, has actually hardened. So this is all right if you have acne, if you have clogged pores, if you have problem or oily skin. Thankfully, the bulk of my use happened then, but then my skin's changed now, although there is this absolute monster sitting here. For the most part, my skin's all right, so I won't be repurchasing this. Otherwise, as a clay mask, very, very nice. Bath & Body, two body products. Bath & Body Works Confetti Daydream Lotion. I have the cream of this, which I like better. The lotions are not as good. The fragrance doesn't stay on, and the creams are more hydrating than the lotions. So I would be, you know, trying out the cream and then seeing how that works. Otherwise, the smell was all right. Not my favorite Bath & Body Works product. I came in a care package, the next one. The Body Shop Moringa Body Yogurt. All gone. This I liked. Moringa. Very nice. Body Yogurts. Among the best products from the Body Shop, I feel. I wouldn't repurchase this, no. But, you know, it came in a care package. I couldn't do anything about it. One lip balm. This is an absolutely brilliant lip balm. Nuxe Revdemil. I always try to have a pot around for winter because, you know, this is really, really, really nice when your lips really need the help. I will repurchase this for that time of the year. I think I've got one more full pot left. Very, very, very soothing lip balm for cold weather or, you know, really problematic lips. So, 10 products finished, including that broken beauty blender. So that has helped me cross over my target of 122 beauty products to empty in 2022. I am very happy. It was a bit last minute-ish because, you know, there were some months where I didn't really use much. I wasn't using anything at all, skincare or makeup, when my grams, you know, fell ill and then passed away. June, July, that time of the year. So hopefully 2023 will bring better times and better tidings for us all. And my target for 2023 is 123 products, which are closed this year. But let's see if I do that next year, hopefully with no distractions or problems or major crises in the year. So how have you done in 2022? Did you meet your target, your planning number, or, you know, did you fall short? No worries if you did. You know, I did not expect to meet my target when grams and the whole crisis happened. Yeah, I don't know, it's just a wonder that I have managed to meet it. So nothing at all wrong with that. But do tell me if you have or if you haven't in the comments below. I would love to know, and do tell me what you have emptied. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.